Good morning, class 8 students. Today we are going to study the topic secularism. When you hear the topic secularism, what is coming in your mind? I'll tell you. Secularism means non-interference of government in religious matters of the people. Total freedom of the people to believe in any religion, practice any religion, and also propagate any religion. That is called secularism. In all over the world, in almost all the countries, more than one religious group is existing. And so, there is a possibility for clash between majority religious group and minority religious group. So, if government is following a particular policy that if government is not supporting any religious group, or if government is not interfering in a matter of any religious group, people will be totally free to decide in which religion they should believe, which religion they want to follow, they want to practice, they want to propagate, like that. This is called secularism. Many cases are there, many examples are there. Religious massacres, majority religious group harassing minority religious group, and minority religious people feel that it is better to leave the nation and move to another nation, otherwise demand for a separate nation. If there is religious violence, or if there is religious massacre or religious harassment, if majority community or majority religious group attacks minority religious groups, normally minority people would demand for a separate state that would lead to disintegration of the nation or disunity of the nation. So in order to avoid such kind of situation, government should follow a particular policy that is called non-interference policy. Government should not support majority religious group or minority religious group. Government should support both equally, keep a same distance from all the religious groups. So the people will be totally free to decide in which religion they want to believe, follow, practice, like that. So now let's see here, what is secularism? Religious freedom to all, which means people all over the world should be totally free to decide in which religion they should believe. And of course, one example, now personally, if I am a Hindu, tomorrow, if I feel that this religion, I don't like to continue in this religion and I need to change my religion. It is possible, since India is a secular nation, it is possible in India to change the religion of the people at any time. Now let's see here, why is it important to separate a religion from the state? Why is it important to separate religion from the state? State means government, nation. So first of all, to prevent majority domination. If government is giving support for majority religious group, of course in our country, we know that Hinduism, Christianity, Islam religion, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, such many religious groups are there. More than 80% of the Indian people are Hindus. And so, if government of India gives special concentration for Hindu people, more freedom, more right and more opportunity for Hindu people, they will surely get more power, and with the help of their more power, they would show their domination over minority communities in India, that is on Muslims and Christians and other communities. When Hindu people show their majority domination over minorities, minority people would feel that they are not safe in this nation with Hindus. So they would demand that they need to go away from the grip or control of Hindus, and they need to move away, they need to get a separate nation. India would be divided into many nations. For Islam people, one particular nation; for Christians, another nation; for Sikh people, another nation; and Jains, Buddhists, like that, separate nations will be formed in India. In order to avoid all these kind of situations, what is the solution? Solution is only that all the religious groups should get equal opportunity, equal right, equal freedom, equal consideration from the government. If government gives more priority to one particular religious group, that religious group will be more powerful and they would show that power over other minority religious groups, and this creates so many social conflicts, bloodshed, anarchy, and finally disintegration. Now let's get to support people to practice any religion. If government is away from religion, all people of the nation, whether Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whoever may be, all people would get equal opportunity to practice, believe, and follow, propagate any religion. If they want to change the religion, that also would be possible. If they want to continue in the religion, that also can be done. So many such practices can be done, advantages can be done. So to support people to practice a religion, what should be there? Government should be separated from religion. Government should be away from religion. Now let's hear what is Indian secularism. Here, as per Indian secularism, one religious community does not show their domination over minorities. In India, as already we have seen, majority of Indian people are Hindus. More than 80% of Indian people are Hindus. So they should not get extra power from government, extra support from the government. If they get, of course, they will show their domination over minorities. That may lead to conflict, violence, bloodshed, and finally disintegration. Now let's see here, state should not interfere in the matter of religion. People should be totally free to decide in which religion they should believe, what they need to practice, what they need to believe, what they need to follow. Everything people should be able to decide. Now let's see here how government of India practice secularism. First of all, by keeping a distance from religion. Government of India is following a particular policy. As per Indian constitution, our India is a secular nation. Clearly specified, it is written in Indian constitution that India is a secular nation. Which means government of India is keeping a distance from all the religions. Government of India, if here our country is not known by the name of any particular religion. Our country, India, is not known as a Hindu state, not known as an Islam state, not known as Christian state, like that. All people are totally free to decide in which religion they should believe, like that. So our country is not known by any religion. Even though majority of Indian people are Hindus, but still our country is not a Hindu state. So government of India is keeping a distance from all religious groups. Another one, non-interference. How people are practicing the religion, how people are arranging fund for the religion. Government of India is not interfering in that matter. Government is not asking the people to follow any particular religion. Government cannot ask the people to believe in a religion. Government cannot ask the people to practice any religion. Government is not supporting any religion. That is called lack of government interference. Now it's a policy of intervention. Some cases government can interfere in the matter of religion. Suppose in the name of a religion, if a massacre happened, if any kind of social evil practices arranged in the name of religion, such tendencies, such activities can be prevented by the government of India. As per Indian constitution, government is powerful to interfere in a matter of religion in certain cases. If religious people are following some socially evil practices. And now let us see here, as per the fundamental right of Indian citizens, a right to freedom of religion. All the Indian people, it is a fundamental right of the people. As per this fundamental right, all the Indian people can believe in a religion, practice a religion, follow a religion. People are totally free. Religious domination is totally prohibited by the Indian constitution. Because of that, now majority and minority community can live in harmony in one nation itself. So because of this secularism policy only, our country is still existing without any disintegration. After the independence since 1947, still India is a united nation, remaining as a united nation. That is only because of the policy of secularism. Major religious groups are not fighting in India for getting power, because all the religious groups know that as per the constitution, they have some demands, they have some rights, they have some opportunities. So when even though Hindu people are more in number, they are not getting any extra power from the government, extra support from the government. If they get extra support or power from the government, of course, they would show their domination over a minority that may lead to conflict, violence, bloodshed, anarchy, and finally disintegration. So in this chapter, you should study about actually secularism, which means religious freedom for all. Government is not denied. Government cannot prevent anyone from practicing or believing in a religion. And moreover, in India, all governmental institutions are for all religions, whether it is government school or college or any other institution. There, no religious ceremonies are arranged. No religious festivals are celebrated. All the governmental institutions, whether education institutions or non-education institutions, there all people are totally free to enter. They can go there. All religious people are free to enter, free to get service from such institutions. No education institution can deny admission for students on the basis of their religion. So no education institution can celebrate any religious festival. So here in India, all the people are totally free to believe and practice a religion that is called secularism in India. All of you just try to understand, read the chapter thoroughly and understand the topic secularism and study well. Thank you.